Okay, so the next part is the finishing touches to the face, right? So now we will be starting with the eyes, okay, and here we will be just first applying black color for the eyebrows. This way we are applying the black color, okay, and for the pupil also we'll be applying the black color, but before that we will be doing the eyes slowly. Okay, so now you can see the eyes are highlighted nicely, and little bit of marking we can do, very light marking we can do for the lips also, very slow, and smudge it out. And now the hair part, so it can be done this way. I am bringing it in front of the ears also. Again I am doing it randomly, okay, but now in the circular pattern. Now there is a reason why I am doing it in the circular pattern, because I want this vacant area also somewhere. So this here I did, that is done. Now before I move further with the further coloring part, I'll quickly apply brown here little bit on the outer side, okay, and the same brown I'll be applying here, because hair color is never completely black, okay, so don't apply it black, completely black. So you need to merge the colors with darker browns, okay, it cannot be jet black, always make sure about that. So one more darker shade I'm taking. This looks a little bit reddish, so here I go. Again I'm going back to the black color and I am applying it. This is done. Now what I'll do is I'll take the black color, okay, and I will be leaving some white here, can you see, and I'll be applying white in that white portion, okay. And now with a fresh earbud I'll just blend the color. Do not put pressure, okay, while blending it, just do it very smoothly and slowly, and the work will be done, right. So here I am just moving the earbud on the outlines, outer portion. Very smoothly and slowly we need to do this work. And here the eyes are getting the highlight, okay. So now you can see how the eyes are looking. So here we are just giving it a marking this way. Here we don't have to do we don't have to do much details here, just the outline. Now comes the smudging work for the hair portion. So here I go, okay, see, without the crayon also I can color it out. So this is the benefit of oil pastels. Again in the circular motion only I am just moving my earbud. Let it be white somewhere, okay, in between. If it is appearing a little bit white, that's okay, doesn't matter, right. So here we did that, and again I'm just little bit very slowly, do not apply pressure. If you apply pressure, the color will get collected somewhere in the corner, or on the earbud, and it will go apply on the portion where you don't want it to be there. So just very slowly you need to merge it, and the portion that we we want to show the light, will be having little bit of bluish shade also. So now you can see how it is looking. Very slowly I'm just doing this. Okay, now comes the final touch, that is the earring part, and I'll do yellow first, right, and on top of it I'll use red. Here, and a little bit of darker red this way. Leave it as it is. Okay, here we are not smudging the color, we'll leave it as it is. Now comes the roll of the black color. Very slowly, you don't have to apply too much of black everywhere, the details only, like the chin. Okay, here I want a little bit, I want to show the depth, so I'm just applying little black here, which I'm moving further with a single line. I'm just applying it to the this face line. Okay, little bit here, very little color here, very little. Okay, make sure that you're applying very little black, because otherwise we are just showing the depth. Okay, we don't want anything else here, just the depth we need to show. So very little color should be applied. Just to show the depth we are using this color. Right, now one thing is yet to be done. I'm using the red one, and on top of yellow only I'll be covering it up this way, and here this way. It's gone on a little bit of side. This way, little thicker one. Fine. Now with the black, what we will be doing is we'll be just giving some outline this way. Right, and we will be just running our finger. And if you make such mistake the way I have done it, just go on applying the yellow shade and it will be covered up. So this way we have completed with our painting, Krishna painting. So I want you all also to do it very nicely and just share the picture with me. So here it is. So you can create your greeting cards or your paintings. You can frame it later on and put it on your wall. However you want to do, you can just do it. Right? You can also apply little touch-ups here, okay, with the black, very little. Just if you want to give the highlight, the same way we did here. Right? So with this, we have completed with our painting. I hope you all liked it. Thank you.